The following diagram shows 2 points A and B such that OA vector is A vector, OB vector is B vector. The point P lies on AB, so that a P vector is lambda AB vector, where lambda is from 0 to 1. Question A shows that OP vector is 1 minus lambda multiplied by A vector plus lambda multiplied by B vector. So we should consider OB vector, and you can see that we can consider just a triangle rule for the sum to represent OP vector in terms of OA, A, and AP. Also, it can be represented as OB plus PB. So, according to the triangle rule for the sum, OP vector is what? OA plus AP. Or it's also OB plus BP. And OA is A, and AP is lambda A plus lambda AB. But AB vector is directly difference B minus A, or you may use again what triangle rule for the sum. You move from A to B, so it becomes AO plus OB, but AO is in opposite direction, so it's minus A plus B, so it becomes A plus lambda B minus A, which is A plus lambda B minus lambda A, and it's 1 minus lambda A plus lambda B as required. The next, in the case that OP vector is perpendicular to a B vector, find the value of lambda. If you meet perpendicular, it's what? It means that dot product of two vectors is equal to 0, and we can use it. So OP is perpendicular to AB, it means that OP dot product AB vector should be or is equal to 0. And what is OP? We can substitute in terms of lambda A and B, so it becomes 1 minus lambda A plus lambda B, and dot product AB, and AB it's B minus A, and just expand. It's like usual multiplication, but you should write this dot to use dot product instead of just usual multiplication, and it becomes what? 1 minus lambda A dot product B. It's this by this, then this by this, so plus lambda B dot product B, then minus 1 minus lambda A dot product A, and minus lambda B dot product A, and is equal to 0. What is dot product? Formula is given in a data booklet, and it says that it's the magnitude of the first vector multiplied by the magnitude of the second and multiplied by cosine of the angle between them. But here it is given directly that dot product is 1 over 4. And dot product, the answer is just a number, scalar. Vector product, the answer is a vector. So it's just 1 over 4 plus lambda B dot product B. The same formula, it's magnitude of B multiplied by magnitude of B and multiplied by cosine of the angle between them. But since it's the same vector, angle between them, it's what? It's 0, cosine of 0 is 1, and hence it becomes magnitude of B squared. So it's lambda, and magnitude of B, it's 2 squared, it's 4. Minus 1 minus lambda, A dot product A, it's the same, a magnitude of A squared, which is 1. Minus, and B dot product A, it's the same as A dot product B, it's just what? 1 over 4, and is equal to 0, and we need just what? Solve for lambda. I want to multiply by 4 to avoid fractions, to get rid of fractions, to get 1 minus lambda plus 16 lambda minus 4 plus 4 lambda, and minus lambda is equal to 0, and it's what, 18 lambda minus 3 is equal to 0, or 18 lambda is equal to 3, so lambda is 3 over 18, which is what, 1 over 6. And that's all for this question.